In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you guys can create a YouTube logo. So to create a YouTube logo, you can simply go to canva.com. So I will provide the link down the description down below. So click there and you can sign this up for free and click on get started for free. And you can use your Google and choose your Google account. So I'm going to choose mine and then continue. And this will log you in with your account. Now it's going to say like you will need a premium feature or something like this. So now it's going to ask you like, what will you be using for? You can choose like personal and you don't need to start your trial. Alright guys, so Canva is trying to force you buy this, but you don't need to. So click on maybe later. And there you go guys, you have created the Canva account. Now you need to click on create, and you will also need to know a YouTube logo size. So Canva defaults provide you like YouTube stuff here. Just do like YouTube logo, and there you go guys. So it's using like 800 pixel by 800. So this is it guys. So this is it. Alright guys, so click on YouTube channel logo, and first you will need to so guys, you will need to name your file here. So you can see here, you can click here and type here like logo YT. Okay, so here you have the blank canvas. Now you will need to play with some elements, or if you have a specific pictures, then you can also upload that using the upload button over here. So you can upload your photo. Let's say I wanted to upload this one and it's uploading. So I can bring this photo over here and simply just zoom this out, and this is it guys. So this is the profile picture for my YouTube. But if you wanted to do like custom build, like let's say your channel name, you can do that as well. You need to go to text here and you need to add a text box. So you can type here like Techoid or your channel name. I'm gonna put here like Techoid 2 for this tutorial purpose, and you will see this corner box over here, right over there. So you will need to put that in middle because it will look good. This is my belief, all right. So you can choose any font you wanted to if you don't like Canva Sans. Some fonts also need like premium features, so you are like limited here, but you are able to find some good fonts right here. So you can just scroll down until you find a good font. So let's say I want to choose this font. I think this is good font actually. You can see it have like graffiti effect. So I'm gonna change the color to red and the background as well. So to change this background, you need to click on this background color and you can choose whatever color you want. So I love to use the black one because it just matched really good. So if you want to choose any other colors, you can still choose any other colors over here. Even they have like a gradient, you can do gradient like that. You can choose any other colors as well, you can see, but I love to use this one, black. You can still customize the text. So select this text and click on effect, and you can shadow this up and use like, let's say I want to use white shadow. And you can see guys, there are also other style effects like background glitches, and you can do whatever you want to. You can see that this is a glitch and this is a neon. Seems like neon is good, so let me use a neon this time. All right, so I'm just going to blow this with neon, and there we go. This is what I wanted to. All right, so once you guys are happy with your logo, you need to export this. So to export, click on share button, and then you need to click on this download. And you can also see Canva is already suggesting you to upload or export this with PNG quality. So just click on download, or if you still want to download within like other format, let's say JPEG or PDF format, then you can do that as well. So I'm just going to use this like a PNG. And if you wanted like transparent background, then you will need to upgrade for premium Canva account. But you're still good with this free version of Canva. It provides a lot of features, you know. So just click and download once you guys are happy with your YouTube logo. And there we go. We have created a YouTube logo. And there we go guys. So this is how it look like. You can zoom in on or zoom it out. And it's time to upload. So go to channel customization, go to branding, and you can change YouTube logo just like that. And there you go guys. So this is it guys. This is how you should be creating a logo and uploading your logo on your YouTube profile. And it's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helped you out. See you guys in the next video. Peace.